Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the gaming guy, and finally I've got an unboxing. This item's probably sat around for the last like 5 days. I just haven't unboxed it. I don't really know why. I was planning on putting out an unboxing on Wednesday for it. However, there were some issues with this camera, so I couldn't do that. So it's going out today, which is Saturday, hopefully. But yeah, this is my item from week 10, which is obviously from the Killer collab. Where I was able to get the long sleeve tee. I was really happy that I was able to get the long sleeve tee because it's just one of those pieces when I was looking at it, I just really liked the look of it. Like overall it was just a piece that I really liked, and fortunately I was able to get it. There were some processing issues which I think a lot of people had, but overall that was quite like a hyped collab for a collab that people weren't really into too much. So this actually arrived on Tuesday for me. So obviously it arrived quite early, or arrived at the normal sort of time frame for me. But like always, comment down below if your item has arrived from week 10. If you did order anything from week 10, that is. So if you did, what did you order, what size, what colorway, and what item did you order? And again, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling the item? If your item has not arrived yet, due to sometimes it's to do with people's locations, comment that down below as well, because I know that that always happens with people and that their items take like up to 2 weeks to arrive. But yeah, other than that, let's just unbox this. Hopefully there's a box logo sticker in here, because on some random orders there's meant to be a box logo sticker, so we'll find out. And also with your order, if you got one, comment that down below as well. But yeah, thank you for the support as per normal, and let's just unbox this. Okay, so obviously I've just got literally a small pair of scissors just to start the like opening to it, just so I can rip it, because that makes it a lot easier for me. But yeah, I always like ripping packages open, so cool. Right, sorted. Box logo sticker. Hey, box logo sticker. Sick. That's just what I wanted as well. That's cool. Well, that's going straight into my collection. Sweet. I'll throw a little recording of it now, obviously up, because that's cool. That's really cool. Okay, onto the long sleeve. Obviously, it's a long sleeve, but you can't see it like that, can you? So I'm gonna do the thing that I don't normally do, but this is the piece that I wanted and I'm going to keep, so. And I see a thread sitting here, which is good. That's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. That's yeah, that's really cool. Right, so I'm gonna keep that and wear that. I've literally just had to zoom the camera in because it's just focusing on everything that is around me except for me, so oh well, that happens, doesn't it? But yeah, I'm gonna be keeping this piece. It's sick. Like, obviously I know people weren't, there's another strap there. I know people weren't too happy with how long that is on the back, sort of the quote, but it doesn't really bother me, to be honest. I just like the piece. It's just nice, and obviously it's a printed graphic, so once it's washed it's gonna have some issues, but it doesn't bother me in the end. It's just a really nice piece, and yeah, I'm glad I was able to pick it up, so shit. So that's going to cover this video. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, I have nothing really else that I have nothing else that I can really say, because I just wanted to unbox this like plain and simple sort of thing, and not do anything dragged out for it, because it's just one piece. So yeah, that's going to cover the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, like I said, thank you for the support in the last couple of videos, and the videos in general. I really do massively appreciate it. Tomorrow's video might be about the Palace collab that is going to be occurring, so yeah, there might be a video about that, going over some of the items or the drop list for that, or I might just leave that be. But if you'd like that, you know, I'd be happy to go through that. But yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace. This still hasn't cleared either. For some reason I still don't sound back to normal, but hopefully it does over the next week, so yeah. Peace. Did you really think I'd finish off the video? Oh my god, that is not good. Did you really think I'd finish off a video without actually trying it on? It's nice. It's really nice. I like it. It's a nice piece, and it's actually comfy for like a Supreme piece. Sometimes I don't feel that some of them are too comfortable, and this is comfy. So yeah, it's a nice piece for sure. Yeah, I like it. I was 100% sure that I was recording in the wrong setting on my camera. Turns out I was, yeah, I can tell. I was in the wrong setting, which is brilliant. So yeah, oh well, you learn. Learn from your mistakes, obviously. Anyway, I'll see you either tomorrow or on Monday for another video. Peace.